Good morning. My name is Ani Oluwaseun Victor from Ekiti State. I'm here for training in Nasarawa with Elu Tractor and Hamter. I have gone through the training of tractor operating and maintenance and mechanization, the way to maintain tractors and the way to operate and the way to teach and how to maintain the implement in tractor under the canopy of Elu Tractors and Hamter. I'm urging our federal government and our state government to employ or to call on youth to come to Elu Tractors and Hamter for training, because there are some graduates in outside that they are unemployment. If they come for this training, this can help them to grow and to make help and to assist the agricultural sectors in Nigeria. Thanks. God bless.